Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at 5.0 Resto's taillight housing kit designed for the Fox Body Mustangs. 5.0 Resto's taillight housing kit is going to appeal to the Fox enthusiast out there who is currently working on a large restoration project and is wanting new components, or anyone that is simply replacing a damaged or failing taillight housing. This taillight housing kit will work with several taillight variants that were offered by Ford during the 1983 to 1993 Fox Mustang era. A few of those lenses include the SVO and Cobra style, 87 to 93 GT style, or commonly referred to as the cheese graters, and the 87 to 93 LX style. Taking a closer look at the housings themselves, both the driver and passenger side housings are molded from black plastic and feature the factory style grain and texture on the tops and sides of the housing. The taillight buckets are painted silver to help with bulb reflectivity, and each bulb socket is accurately placed within each housing. On the back side of the housings, you'll find pre-installed studs that feature the factory style thread pitch and the molded provisions for the provided foam seals. The seals are specific to the respective location, and you'll easily be able to decipher where they go. In the box will be a driver and passenger side taillight housing to body seals, and the correct amount of nuts for installation. What is not included is obviously lenses and a taillight lens installation kit. The taillight lens installation kit is an absolute must-have when installing new lenses. Like I said, guys, this 5.0 Resto taillight housing kit will serve as a viable solution to many of you out there wanting to go with brand new assemblies along with new lenses. We do already have a detailed video indicating the proper steps on how to install new lenses on new or existing housings, so be sure and check that video out if you're interested. For the most current pricing, product availability, and information on anything you may have seen in this video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.